start of our first walk in Sarandë. Arrived last night, well, late yesterday afternoon. I'm just going to head out for a bit of a exploration walk around the waterfront. Just heading down the hill here. That's the port over there, and then here we've got the main Sarandë beachfront and waterfront. It's 7:30 in the morning, 7 o'clock. Plenty of people already down here. Like a swimming pool over there as well. Yeah, a laned off swimming area. That's pretty cool. So we haven't booked our ferry out yet. We've got to figure that out in the next few days. We're here for 8 nights or 7 days, so plenty of time to have a good look around. Beachfront looks nice. Lots of different tourist boat options here. Day trips. Some of them don't look too badly priced. €20. Oh, it's a pirate ship. 2 pirate ships. There's another nice looking swimming beach down the far east end of the town. Really nice promenade we're walking along too. It's really nice. Picking our apartment is on the far left of the buildings there, maybe a couple hundred metres further along, and then back about 150 metres from the seafront. So beyond the eastern end of the promenade, it just turns into a street that runs along to slightly fancier hotels and restaurants. So not much to see down that end. So we're turning back. Just walking back along the main street that runs behind the promenade. Promenade's just down there. An old gun emplacement along this street. Guess it had a view out to the port before those buildings were there. This is the ferry terminal here. You can see the beach promenade just behind that building we were walking on before. Doesn't look like there's too many ferries out there at the moment, a couple of small ones. This is the street heading to our apartment. The far end there's the local supermarket, spa. Sarah's videoing all the local dogs hanging out here on the footpath. Looks like someone feeds them, that's good. Flat out. So those steps over there head up to the street our apartment's on. Okay, quick video of our apartment in Sarandë. We've been here almost 12 hours, so don't expect the place to be spotless. Kitchen. Not a lot of cooking utensils, but there is a frying pan and a couple of pots. Probably be able to make a meal there. Balcony, oh, there's a sofa and TV. Balcony out here with a pretty industrial looking view. Definitely in suburbia here. Just a little alcove there. 2 single beds in that room. So if you're looking for a place for 3 or 4 people, this might be quite good. It's a reasonably basic apartment. And then bathroom down here. Washing machine. The world's smallest shower tray that the water all goes on the floor. And then a double bed, wouldn't call it a queen, a double bed and a single bed in here. So yeah, it's not too bad. We booked this at the last minute because the previous place we had booked cancelled on us because they were double booked, which was a disaster. Anyway, that's us. Got a nice quiet area of cafes and restaurants along here. I'm still looking for the access to the beach. It's down to our left somewhere. We can't find a walkway. Alright, we're going to try this little road. Kind of looks like it goes the right direction. This looks promising. So a lot of the beaches here have private access. You've got to pay for your sun lounger and umbrella, but I think somewhere here there's also a public beach. And all that main beachfront we saw earlier was public beach. We found our public beach, although there are a lot of places you have to pay for the lounges, so that's fine. You can still just come down here and have a swim for free. We're just heading down to Sunset Beach again, a bit earlier today. This is about a 5-minute walk, if that, from our apartment. So this piece here is where we've been swimming the first few days. It's nice and deep, but the stones are really hard on your feet here. So we found another spot over this way. I'll show you. So over here you've got more beach umbrellas that you can rent. These ones are €10 for 2 chairs and umbrella. Not that we've rented any yet. It's always too blooming hot to stay down here too long, so we normally just go for a swim and then go back to the apartment. But if you did want to stay here for a long time in the sun, it would be a good spot. Restaurants there for food and drink. Carrying through to another one over here. These lounges here are, I think, €15 for 2 lounges and umbrella up there, and 20 if you want to be closer to the sea. You don't really need to be close to the sea though. And just down here, the water's much easier to get into. The pebbles are less harsh on your feet. And we just put our towels in a bag down on the gravel here and go for a swim. It's really nice. Alright, let's get in. Yeah, it's shallower and not as hard on the feet.
No, well there's fish down there. Did you get them?
No, I didn't get the fish, I don't think. Are they by your feet?
Yeah, no, here, just swimming.
Okay. That's our swim over for the morning. Time to head back, have a coffee. And yeah, might have time for another swim today.